already read the title of this video, so most of you probably know that today I'm going to show you two amazing and delicious recipes. This is the first time I'm going to show you a food related video on this channel, and I just love making food and I'm a big foodie. That's why I'm sharing this recipe. And if you're a person who like food related videos, and if you like this video in some way, then make sure to comment down below and let me know, because I love to read your suggestions. And also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Now I'm simply starting off by breaking these romanzo biscuits into smaller pieces so it would be easier to convert them into powdered form. And of course you can use dark fantasy as well, because they both work exactly the same. Now I'm using a mixer/blender to convert them into a fine powdered form, like this one. Next I'm adding 1 glass of cow milk and 1.5 cups of coconut milk, but of course you can increase the quantity of coconut milk and cow milk as per your preference. Next I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and 5 to 6 ice cubes and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and then you have to blend everything together. Now for decoration, I'm taking the same biscuit and breaking them into small pieces with the help of a spoon, and then pouring the milkshake into the glasses. Next I'm adding some whipped cream, and of course this is optional. I'm adding whipped cream to just enhance the flavor of the milkshake, but you can use any ice cream of your preference, but I will recommend to use vanilla ice cream. And finally, to decorate it, I'm adding some crushed biscuits. And it's ready! So I'm starting off this recipe by opening the gas stove. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can use oil or butter as well. Next I'm adding 1 green chili, some finely chopped onions and some capsicum. You can use any other vegetable of your preference, and just sauteing them together. Next I'm adding salt. You can add salt as per your choice. Next I'm adding a pinch of Kashmiri lal mirch. You can totally skip it if you don't like spicy food. Next I'm taking the southwest dressing and I'm adding a big spoon of it like this and mixing everything in. Next I'm adding the main ingredient, that is paneer. Now I'm adding some chili flakes and oregano to enhance its flavor. Now in a bowl I have taken some tomato sauce and mayonnaise, and I'm just mixing them together to make a sauce like this. Next I'm taking some room temperature butter, and in that I'm gonna add some oregano and chili flakes. I'm gonna put that on top of the bread to make it crisp. Now I've taken this ketchup and mayonnaise sauce and putting that on one side of the bread. On the other slice of the bread I'm taking the southwest dressing and spreading it evenly on the bread. Now adding the paneer filling in it. And placing the bread on top of the bottom one, and now adding some butter mixture that we made earlier and spreading that evenly, and I'm putting some more oregano because I just love oregano. And next I'm taking the bread and putting inside the pan and adding some more butter mixture on the bottom side of the bread and pressing it down, and this is how the other side looks like, and it's ready, you guys.